Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how to do Project 1, Project 2, and how to upload your video to YouTube, and how to embed it into a presentation if you want to do both the video and the PowerPoint presentation. You have your choice of doing just a video and uploading it to YouTube, sending me a link for Project 1 and 2, or you can do just a straight PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft Office. Or you can do both, where you make a video and embed it into your PowerPoint presentation. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So the first thing we want to do is upload our video. So you'll have to create a YouTube account, and it's the same thing that you have to do to set up an email account, so it's pretty easy. So if you've ever set up an email account, you shouldn't have any difficulty setting up the YouTube account. And you'll click this upload button. It'll take you to the screen here, and you'll click the big upload button. And then once you have that, let me go back to the right file here. You'll find your video that you made, click on it, and upload it. And it lists the different formats it uses. You'll want to create a title, a description, and I won't go through all this, and then you'll want to tag it, maybe first aid class, what the subject was, if it was CPR, your name. That way if you do want people to search for it, you want to create some tags where it's easy to find what your video is about. This video that I'm uploading right now I won't leave on. I'm just using it for this video to show you how to upload it. So right now it's processing, and we'll let it process real quick. Actually, it's finished processing now, so let me copy this link. So once it's finished, you copy the link from the video, and that's what you'll send to me. And so if you're just sending me a video, let me go to Blackboard real quick, and you'll go to assignments, click on that tab, click on Project 1. So if this was Project 1, you click on that, and this screen is going to pop up. So you would just say, just write in my name, just like you're writing an email to me. Here's my Project 1, and then give me the link. So that's one way. Probably the easiest way, though, so for me, is enable HTML. The reason I like this better is because you can hyperlink it, and I can just go out to the video. Either way it's easy, because all I've got to do is copy and paste. I'm just showing you another way. So it takes a little bit for that to pull up anytime you use the HTML editor. And so once that pops up, you can just type it in just like you normally would in Word, and it gives you the ability to do hyperlinks and bold and italics and do different stuff with the text. So either way will work for me. You can just paste the link in. So let's say you're using the HTML editor. Oops, let me bring that back out. So you just write it like an email. Let me know what it is. I won't have any problem finding out what it is, but I'd still rather have you send me what it is. Paste the link in, and then your name. That would work pretty good for me. And then if you need to link it, let me go up here real quick. Find the link, insert link there, and then you enter the URL. Whatever you want to title it. And there, when I click on that, it'll take me directly to it. Or if you don't want to use the HTML, maybe you're having problems with your computer. Let me disable that real quick. Delete all that. After you title it, let me go back to the assignments tab. It jumped out of it for some reason. After you title the project, you could just paste in the link, just like I was showing you earlier. I'm going to know who it came from anyway, but just to have some sort of formatting. Just makes it a little bit more organized, and now I can just copy and paste that link. That's if you're not going to use the HTML creator to send it. So either way, and then you can write some comments below. Now if you have a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to leave this up and I'll show you how to send the PowerPoint. So if you were just doing PowerPoint, you wouldn't have a link whatsoever. So the next example, I'll show you how to do it. Let's go to the PowerPoint real quick, and you would title it. So let's say you're doing CPR here, your name, and then a little bit about CPR. I'm not going to go through here and write the whole thing out. I'm just going to do this really quick to give you some sort of idea. Oops. 30 compressions in about 18 seconds. Then 2 rescue breaths. Anyway, you get the point. So you would go through, illustrate it, make sure your pictures aren't copyrighted. I would use your own pictures, and then once you, normally most presentations are about anywhere from 15 to 20 slides. Give me enough information so that I understand that you understand the skill or whatever topic that you're going over. And then if you did a video as well, you can embed it, and I'm going to show you how to embed it 2 different ways here. So if I have the link, I can just paste it in and then hit enter, and that's going to hyperlink it. If you want it to look a little bit better, you can highlight it, go down, right click, go down to hyperlink, and then paste the link in, and that will link it up. So I'm going to hit the little presentation mode here. So when I click on that, it should take me out to the video. So once that opens up, yep, took me to the video, so that's good. So that's how you would do your presentation. Let me end the presentation. And I'm going to go File, Save As, PowerPoint, CPR example. I'm going to save that to my documents. So now let me show you how to upload that to Blackboard. So let's say you did a PowerPoint presentation. Maybe you even have the video in it, but you need to send me the PowerPoint. So you'll click here, Get Files. From my computer, I'm going to go to my documents. That's where I saved it at. And there's my example, and it's going to upload it and attach it. And then you would send it to me. And so if you had any additional comments, I'm going to go ahead and hit Submit. And then it sent it. So I just used the demo student. So that's how you would send it to me. And then it's going to disappear. You're no longer going to see it in your Assignments tab once you've submitted. But if you go in here, it'll show you, hey, you submitted Project 1 on January 16th. So, and when I send the grade, you'll be able to see the grade and all that good stuff. So that's how that works. That's how you'll submit it to me. Let me give you some ways of adjusting your video. So if you don't want everybody in the world to see it, so if you want it public and you want people to see your video, just leave it public. If you only want me to see it, you'll hit unlisted. So, but you'll have to send me the link. So you'll copy and paste the link, send it to me. So you have to leave it as unlisted. Don't hit private, because if you send me the link, I'm not going to be one of your friends in YouTube and I won't be able to see it. So it has to be unlisted. So that's how you're going to set the privacy. Let's say you accidentally close it out and can't find your video. You go back to your account, you hit Video Manager. This might take a while for this to upload. Alright, there we go. You'll go down, click on your video, and here's 2 different ways to get your link again. So once the video comes up, I'm going to hit pause real quick. You can copy the link up here. So all I did was highlight it, right click and hit copy. That's one way to get to your link. If you want another way to share it, you just click share down here and you can copy it there, and you can send it to Facebook if you want to, or Twitter, whatever you want to do, and show it to all your friends. Here's a couple of videos from other students on another account that I have. Kinesiology College is the one that I've been using lately for my video lectures, but you'll see like feigning, seizure, unconscious choking, CPR. These are all older student projects. They actually use the Red Cross skills, unconscious choking, external bleeding. Those are all projects of mine. Diabetic emergencies, heat exhaustion, external bleeding. It looks like they're all pulling up. Heat exhaustion again, diabetic emergency, amputation. Those are all my students right there. Seizure, poisoning, AED. All students, but like I said, they're using a different book than what we're using now. So, but they're good. They're good to go in and see the differences between the skills that we're learning and the Red Cross skills. Most of them are pretty close to what Red Cross is doing. So anyway, that's how you're going to do project 1, project 2. Submit it to me, and if you do a video, that's how you'll do your video. And if you're going to just do a presentation, that's how you'll upload your presentation to me. Only use PowerPoint. I don't want any other format, because I always have issues with trying to open up other formats. So PowerPoint, or send me the YouTube video link, or you can do both and embed them just like I showed you. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you in the next one.